In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the horn assembly on your Ford Expedition, located behind the front left headlight. Using a 10mm socket, remove the two bolts on the top of the headlight. Lift up on this top tab. Now we're going to pull forward. And we can pull our headlight assembly forward. Disconnect the connectors for the headlight. Push on the button and remove the connector. On the bottom of the horn assembly, on the back of this connector, there's going to be a push button, and then you can remove the connector. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the bolt for the horn assembly. Remove the bolt. Lift up and out, and you can remove the assembly. Install the horn assembly. Make sure that it hooks onto the top of that stay, and then you can get your bolt started. Snug the assembly down. Install your connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked in. Then we're going to tuck this in there. Install the connectors onto the headlight. Line the headlight up, click it into place, get the bolts started, snug them down. You're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.